We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional T5 Torx screwdriver, playing cards, power down your Google Pixel smartphone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. The 5-inch Google Pixel AMOLED display assembly is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use the precision knife to create enough space to insert a playing card. With the playing card, slice through the sticky adhesive and carefully decouple the Google Pixel screen from the phone. The display assembly is still connected to the Google phone, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 2 T5 Torx screws securing the bracket that covers the display cable. With the bracket out of the way, detach the cable from the motherboard and free the Google Pixel display assembly. Remove the following 9 T5 Torx screws. The thin mid-frame is secured by snug, press-fit notches. Use a precision knife to release the clips and separate it from the rear case, but don't remove it entirely just yet. Lift up the Google Pixel mid-frame and detach the ribbon connector from the motherboard. Then separate it from the phone. Pluck out the Google Pixel earpiece speaker. Carefully remove the cable array that includes the noise-canceling microphone, notification LED, ambient light, and proximity sensor. Spudge up the Google Pixel battery cable from the motherboard. Detach and extract the interconnect cable. Google teases us with what looks like a pull to remove battery tab. We pull it only to find out it's perforated on the bottom. The HTC-made 2770 mAh Google Pixel battery is adhered to the phone with 2 strips of adhesive, but with a little sputtering, it is readily removed. Disconnect and squeeze out the headphone jack. Remove the 8-megapixel Google Pixel front-facing selfie camera.
Disconnect the Google Pixel power and volume buttons cable and 2 signal antennas from the motherboard. Remove the following 2 T5 Torx screws. Lift the Google Pixel motherboard up and detach the fingerprint sensor cable, then remove it from the rear case. Remove the mini board with microphone and the rangefinder that enables the Pixel's laser autofocus. Extricate the highly touted 12.3 megapixel Google Pixel rear-facing camera. The Google Pixel daughter board pops out of the rear enclosure with relative ease. It includes the USB Type-C port and the microphone. The next components to surrender are the Google Pixel loudspeaker, vibrator, power and volume buttons ribbon cable, and LED flash. With nearly everything out of the rear case, we turn our attention to the Google Pixel Imprint fingerprint sensor. It is secured in place with light adhesive, making removal a breeze.